Let's talk about what makes EVs truly fun performance. Electric motors deliver instant torque, press the pedal, and you're gone. That's why EVs like the Tesla Model S Plaid can out-accelerate supercars. Even family EVs can surprise you at a stoplight. The battery's low placement gives EVs a low center of gravity, improving handling and stability. Less body roll means more confidence in corners. Many EVs offer one-pedal driving, lift off the accelerator, and the car slows while recharging the battery. It's smooth, efficient, and makes city driving a breeze. The driving experience is silent, seamless, and addictive. EVs aren't just green, they're thrilling to drive. The performance gap between electric and gas is closing fast. For driving enthusiasts, EVs are rewriting the rules. The future of speed is electric. Step inside a modern EV, and you'll feel like you're in the future. Flat floors and clever storage, like a front trunk, make cabins spacious and practical. Massive touchscreens control everything, from navigation to climate to performance. Tesla started the trend, but now every brand is pushing high-tech interiors. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets smarter while you sleep. Advanced driver assistance features are becoming standard, making driving safer and easier. Use your phone as a key, precondition the cabin, or even power your home with your car's battery. EVs are more than transportation. They're integrated into your digital life. The innovation is constant, and the possibilities keep expanding. These aren't just cars. They're rolling tech hubs. The future of mobility is smart, connected, and electric.